Maquoketa Caves State Park is a state park in Iowa, USA, located in Jackson County. It stands northwest of the city of Maquoketa. The park contains more caves than any other state park in Iowa. The trail system links the caves, formations, and overlooks while providing a scenic hiking experience. Many areas on these trails have seen new construction, making the journey to the caves safer. Most of the caves may be entered by persons of average physical ability, but some are more advanced. However, the park's caves were closed to humans between 2010 and April 2012 in the hopes of protecting the resident bats from white noise syndrome. The park is in the driftless area of Iowa. This region escaped being glaciated in the last ice age, while regions to the east and west were not spared. The park has been subjected to hundreds of thousands of years of natural, non-glacial erosion. The park's caves, limestone formations, and rugged bluffs present a step back in geological time of thousands of years. Stalactites once hung from the ceilings and stalagmites rose from the floor. Souvenir hunters have robbed the caves of this rare beauty, but many formations remain. Today, a modern interpretive center outside the park's entrance provides maps and other informational materials. Inside the park, a central map kiosk includes charts and some of the more interesting caves.
Okay, I'm at the Maquoketa State Park and I'm going to see some caves today. I have a map and I'm just going to follow the crowds for the most part. I think everyone's headed to the same place. So let's see what we can see. Let's head on down. This appears to be a guided trail or a self-guiding trail. And it's dark down here. These natural rock formations. And we're looking up this way. I can see there being bats down here. How you doing? You know what would be a very cool photograph or a video is if I flew my drone right through that. I think I'm gonna do that. Nope, I don't think I am going to crawl in there. Here's another small cave I'm going through. The matrix of these trails out here is incredible. I'm not sure if you can see everything in one day. And I'm just on one side. There's another side way over there. So when I come down from here, I'm gonna head over there and check it out too. In spite of the crowds, it's still relatively quiet out here. I think I'm safe today as far as being attacked by critters because I see a lot of folks out here wearing shorts. And this is just a different environment opposed to where I was down in Indiana. And I see folks out here with their babies and their children, infants, so it's safe. No mosquitoes. I don't feel like something has landed on me and bitten me. This is good exercise though. I need it. It's about 2 p.m. so by the time I finish here, I'll be ready to sit down, have some dinner, unwind, and edit some videos and get them uploaded. Yes, I'm winded because I'm going up, but it's all good. You get an idea of what the crowds are like. Some of the parking down there is, I see a few parking spots now, and there's parking over here and down there. And I do know that if you go further up around the bend, there's parking, and that was quite full too. So as you can see here, a parking spot directly in front of me is vacant. So what I'm going to do, I'm going on the other side. I think there's a trail over there, so I'm gonna go check it out and see what the deal is. So let's see what's down here. There's a cave right there, so I'm gonna go down there and get a closer look. The path continues this way, but I'm gonna go ahead and hang a left. Check this out, come back up, then go straight forward. When you enter to the park, get yourself a map, or if you don't, stop at the visitor center, which is about a quarter mile up the road before you get here. They have a big marquee that has a map. Just take a photograph of that and you're good to go. Wow, that's down there. Okay, let's keep going. This does resemble a dance hall. You know, the acoustics, I suppose, would be incredible if someone came down here and started playing some instruments. But and you can see there's a little stream down there. And I'm going through here. So it's pretty dark down here, so I don't know if the camera's gonna pick this up, and I did not bring my headlamp, so let's see what we can see. But it's nice and cool down here, wow. And you have to watch your step because the boards here are somewhat slippery. May I pass you, please? Thank you. So be careful. Yeah, this is pretty cool. The last time I was in a cave was back in, I would say 2006. I was in Thailand, and they had some very nice caves there. They weren't wet like this, they were very dry. And even within those caves that were deep in the ground, they had these ancient temples, carved images of Buddha. It's nice. Okay, continuing forward. It is really refreshing down here. I wasn't expecting this. And I'm a tall guy, so I really have to bend down. So I don't bang my head on the rocks above. But I'm not by myself in doing this. Ouch, ouch. I think I'll do that. You really have to be careful down here, especially if you're a tall person. Even tall children have to be careful. See, stuff like that in the dark jutting out. Ah, I knew that would happen. Yeah, I've been here, so this spot. So that's where I flew the drone up there somewhere. I was here earlier when I first came in, and I flew the drone through there. I tried to go up there, but it wouldn't let me. He got maybe halfway to where those rocks are right there. It wouldn't go any higher. That was a loop. I was across the street, and I went on that trail over there to the adjacent to that building right there. Went down to where the caves were, and network is over here on the ground. And I came back out down there. So it's a loop. You can even go down this way and come around and come out this way too. Really can't get lost, but it is nice out here. Okay, I think I'm done. I'm breathing too heavily, and I'm hungry.